Someone's planning about something, and it looks like wala siyang pinagsasabihan nito with the Four of Coins energy, but there's a strong, yung word na plano talaga. There's a strong plan na meron sa mind itong individual na to, no? So, let us see more. Who is this person right here? And what kind of plan is that, no? Okay, let's see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with the angel guides. Let's see what do we have here for my collective people. The energy of the Ten of Swords energy is not someone na may kinalaman sa betrayal, ha? But more likely, the feeling, the vibe, and the message that I'm picking up, more likely with this one, is this is something here na parang habang itong plano ay plano pa lang at hindi pa nasasagawa, no, parang ito yung nagpapahirap sa kanya. So parang kailangan niya nang gawin tong plano na to, no, or else parang feeling niya sasabog yung dibdib niya, no, like that kind of energy, okay? But if I'm gonna describe you the feeling inside this room, okay, ang light lang ng energy, no? So I don't think that this is something here about betrayal or what, no? Yeah, more likely on the positive side. Let's see. Okay. Oh. So you are appearing here as the high priestess energy, no? That's what more I'm picking up. So let me keep moving. Yeah, I think you know what's happening right here. That's why you're not confused. Okay? And I'm seeing you na meron ka ditong clear understanding and you're following right here your intuition. Others, you call it kutob, no? So let me continue. Whereas this person's energy is appearing here as the hermit, okay? Together with the Six of Cups. I'm going to tell you more about that, okay? Three of Cups. Okay, nice. Nice. Hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome here no, sa ating mga returning na mga tambayers na walang sawa at talagang nakaantabay. Thank you so much. And yun nga, no, if hindi niyo pa alam, mga mahal na meron pa po tayong main channel, which is ang name ay The High Priestess Tarot. Link kayo nandiyan sa ating description box. Every day, meron din tayong ina-upload na collective readings for all signs. And we also have there yung mga reading per zodiac sign. No, meron tayo niyan weekly. Meron din tayong every other day, no? At meron din tayong monthly reading for that. Okay, if you want that, you can click that link para ma-check out ninyo yung ating main channel. No? You're also welcome there, mga babes. So, kahit magpalipat-lipat pa kayo. ng channel. And yeah, no, please be advised din na wala tayong gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit. Kasi isa itong general reading and at the end of the day, everybody, you hold your free will with you. Like, malaya ninyong gamitin kung gusto niyo bang i-claim yung mga mensahe or hindi. So, timeless din ito. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na sa iba, nangyayari na, and sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang, no? But you are appearing here as the high priestess, whereas the one you're dealing with is the hermit. Doesn't have to be that this is an old man right here on or an old woman, okay? But this is someone here na matagal niya nang pinag-isipan nito, no? So there's this kind of lantern right here that the hermit is holding, okay? This lantern right here contains a star inside that, no? So nakita ko dito na posibleng meron siya ditong healing. There's a wish at kinonfirm pa nga ng ating Nine of Cups energy. So, nakikita ko dito na itong person na 'to 'no, will ask some kind of favor sa inyo. Lalapit siya sa inyo, will talk to you guys right here about this favor and itong person na 'to 'no, alam mo mga babes 'no, maa-appreciate niya kung mapagbibigyan mo siya sa kanyang munting hiling. Yan 'no, pero alam mo mantakin mo, ang tagal niya ng pinag-isipan nito 'no, pero munting hiling pa ito. Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, napaka-sentimental ng kanyang energy and at the same time, a lot of soul connection. Pinagbuhusan niya talaga ito 'no, ng oras at panahon 'no, yung paglapit niya for you guys 'no, prinactice niya pa yan. Kasi he or she 'no, gets easily nervous whenever you are around him or her 'no. Sobrang yung energy niya natataranta kapag nandiyan ka, ninenervyos, kinakabahan, nahihirapan 'no, na magsalita 'no, at maaaring mautal-utal. Kaya naman 'no, yung iba ay talaga namang pinaghandaan, pinaghandaan ayun na naman tayo sa Tagalog, eh. Pinaghandaan 'no, mga babes 'no, itong klase ng sitwasyon na 'to na paglapit niya sa inyo 'no. But, you surprise me here, sweethearts. Why? Because you're appearing here as the High Priestess energy and with this great sun, nakita ko rito 'no, na alam ninyo yung truth 'no. Nakita ko rito 'no, na mabilis kayong pa-makeup 'no, at hindi kayo rito naguluhan 'no. So, meron ditong hihingin na munting favor itong person na 'to 'no, that you're dealing with here 'no, at nakikita kong pagbibigyan mo siya 'no, at wala ka man lang kahit na ano dito 'no, na pangamba, you're not also pressured right here 'no, but you know kung bakit niya 'to hinihiling sa inyo, ano. So, maybe this person right here 'no, is someone 'no, na alam mo sa sarili mong meron siyang something sa'yo. Alam mo sa sarili mo na may gusto itong tao na 'to sa'yo 'no. Nakikita ko rito that you are someone here na, pauunlakan mo ang kanya ritong favor or healing 'no. So, nakita ko rito that you are someone na alam mo na agad kung bakit ikaw yung nilapitan niya at ikaw yung someone 'no, na alam mo na kung bakit niya yan hinihingi sa'yo 'no. So, yung favor has something to do with, "Puwede mo ba akong samahan ng ganitong araw 'no?" And without too much talk 'no, gano'n lang, 'yan 'no. Collective, "Puwede ka ba sa ganito 'no?" You know that it's some kind of a date, 'di ba? More likely 'no, kasi kayong dalawa lang, 'yan 'no. So, LGBTQs, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome, okay? So, nakita ko dito 'no, that this person right here wants you to be with him or her 'no, sa isang klase ng particular na araw, specific na araw 'no. So, yung iba birthday niya talaga yon. Yung iba naman mga babes 'no, espesyal kasi sa kanya rito 'no, yung araw na yun kasi yun yung araw na posibleng ini-schedule niya rito 'no, yung date ninyo or whatsoever 'no, and then yung iba sa inyo 'no, puwedeng hindi niyo alam birthday pala niya yun 'no, pero ikaw yung gusto niyang makasama here. This is the energy here of someone na possible na hindi siya gano'n kagaling mag-confess ng emotions and feelings 'no. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes 'no, kung tatlo yung salita sa "I like you" 'no, hanggang dun lang siya sa "I." At puwede mo talaga siyang mag-panic sa mga susunod na mga, salita 'no. So, hanggang dun lang siya 'no. So, may pagka-torpe, yeah. Pero more likely nakita ko rito na medyo shy lang talaga siya around you guys 'no. And for some reason, yung iba sa inyo 'no, I like shy men, Miss Yan. Or I like shy woman, Miss Yan, you know. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo mga mahal 'no. You are someone here, you clearly know bakit niya 'to hinihingi sa inyo 'no, what is the intention, you also know that, okay, with this High Priestess energy Sun card 'no. So, nakita ko na hindi ka tatanggi rito, sweetheart. Nakita ko rin dito 'no na this person right here is someone na matagal nang nasa life mo with the hermit din as well. So, kilala mo na siya rito, no, na hindi siya rito gagawa ng kahit na ano rito hindi mo magugustuhan. So, definitely you're saying yes to this favor right here, no, or you're agreeing, no, na sige, sige, samahan kita sa araw na yan. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you accepting that favor, no? So, nakikita ko na pagbubuhusan niya talaga yun ng atensyon, no? Mas mag effort pa siya dyan habang nalalapit yan. At ang nakakaloka, matagal niya niyang pinaghandaan mga babes. Like, matagal na talaga, no? Kung kakain kayo, matagal na yung nakaschedule, okay? Kung kayo ay magde-date, matagal na yung nakaschedule, the food, everything right here. So, nakita ko na talagang gusto niya maging perfect, no? Ang araw na yan, no, for the both of you. So, nakita ko dito the two of coins energy. Sobrang ma-appreciate niya itong hindi mo pagtanggi, no? Sobrang magiging masaya siya dyan, mga babes, no? So, nakikita ko rito na kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person will be really happy to hear yung magiging sagot mo, no? Alam mo, you are such a nice, thoughtful, and kind individual. So, you are someone na, alam mo yung hindi mo hinahayaan na malet down yung feelings and emotions ng iba, no? Right off the bat. No? I mean, you are someone here na, um, you're not pressured. Ganon. Kasi yung future energy has something to do with Two of Wands, Six of Swords, and Eight of Wands. Yan, no? So, you are not someone na nasa crossroad. So, I'm seeing you right here na parang, we'll see. Tignan natin. Kasi, after all, that guy or that woman is not a bad person naman, Miss Yan. Actually, he or she is also nice and thoughtful and at the same time, gentleman or gentle woman. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan dalhin tong connection na to, no? After all, nagsisimula pa lang din naman tong connection na to. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan. You know? So, tingnan natin kung hanggang saan. Ang taray, I can show you the world, you know? Indescribable feeling. Exactly. Hindi mo talaga ma-describe ang feeling, no? But I think you're loving this type of energy, no, na nagbibigay ito sa'yo, no, ng time, effort right here. So, kaya siguro masasabi mo yan in the future, it is because, no, you will feel that kind of feeling, no, na baka ma-inlove na rin talaga ako sa kanya. Yan. Ang taray. A whole new world for you guys. And you're also giving someone here a whole new world for himself and herself. So, whoever I'm picking up today, I'm picking up no, na this is you. You are someone here na hindi lang yung pag-agree mo, no, yung naibigay mo sa kanya, kundi binigyan mo siya rito ng pag-asa, sweetheart. You're like a very good mother, no? Na ginagrant ang wish nitong person na to, no? And you're like a genie, no? In the Aladdin's lamp, no? Na tinutupad ang wish nitong person na to, no? And see, hey, who knows? Baka yung wish mo rin when it comes to love, siya na rin yung katuparan at kasagutan nun. Ang taray! For some reason, I'm picking up, no, letters, yes, with S, mga babes. No, unahin na rin natin yun. S, yan, no, pinakauna kong nakita rito, no, I also have here letter U. We have here as well the letter F. Andito din mga mahal ang letter T and we also have here letter R. Nandito rin po mga babes ng letter M and we also have here letter T. Yan. So, eto yung mga messages right here for you guys and thank you so much for your time here, babe, no? And again, you have someone here, no, na I think this is something here na makikita mo how magical yung improvement at progress, no, sa inyong dalawa. No? It might start as friendship right here, no? There's no pressure at all in this type of connection. Kaya isa rin yun sa wonderful thing na nakikita ko dito, no? You're not rushing into something. You're just getting to know each other and it feels so perfect. Yeah. So, eto yung mga messages right here, mga mahal. And again, I'm Yuriana on me. Thank you so much. Please to check out other channel if you're interested, no? Have a nice day and bye for now. Annyeong.